This is the our third welcome back to the Google Earth Engine series for beginners. This is our third video. In the last videos we have seen the JavaScript essential, in which we learn about variables, lists and dictionaries, and then we have learned the same variables, list and lists in Earth Engine. So now today we will work with our first JS dataset inside Google Earth Engine, in which I am going to import our some data in our assets tab, and then we will do import it in our script section, and then we will do some functionality on it. Okay, so this is the asset panel. So what is an asset panel in Google Earth Engine? So assets are basically the files that we upload to Google Earth Engine. Okay, so if you want to upload your Shapefile or any of the CSV file or even the raster file from your local system to Google Earth Engine, you can upload it from here, from the assets tab. Okay, so now let's upload Lahore Shapefile to our assets tab. Okay, so as I am going to upload Shapefile, so I need to select the Shapefile from here, and as you can see, you need to select the file. As you can see that all the three necessary files has been selected, and then you need to give the name of the asset. In my case I am giving the name of Lahore. Okay, and then you need to upload it, and then this is the task tab, in which you can see what the tasks are processing in the task tab, and it will take some time to upload. Okay, so now you can see that Lahore Shapefile has been uploaded to Google Earth Engine. Now if you click on it, this is the you can see the asset details here. Means to say you have a Shapefile here with the name of Lahore, and this is its geometry and this is its ID. You need to copy it from here, and then you need to close it. Okay, and then we need to go on scripts, and let's say we are creating a new file here. Okay, and first you need to give the username, and then you need to create a new repository. Okay, so let's say I'm creating it for training purpose, so let's create it. As it you firstly need to create a repository, and then in that repository you need to create a file. So we are creating a file here with the name of Lahore. Okay, and then we will do load our data in this file. Okay, so firstly we need to create a variable. We are creating a variable with the name of Lahore. Okay, and then we need to write dot feature collection, because we are importing our data as a feature collection. Okay, all right. So next we need to paste the asset ID of Lahore, and then just okay, so we need to paste our ID in double quotations. Okay, so what this line is doing, this line is basically connecting our Shapefile which we has uploaded to our script. Now if you want to add layer, means to say if you want to see the Lahore Shapefile in your map window, in your map, so you need to write a line which is Map.addLayer. Okay, and then you need to give the variable name here in which you have loaded your shapefile. and then you need to run in it, and now you can see it that your layer 1 name, layer 1 is loading. Now you don't know where it has been loaded, so you need to zoom into your study area. For zooming into your study area or zooming into your area of interest, you simply need to write a line with Map.centerObject. What it will do, it will zoom your view to your area of interest. Okay, so you need to write Map.centerObject, and then you need to give the variable name, and what is the zooming level you want. Let's say I'm giving it 10. Now it will zoom into 10 level. Okay, so you need to give it, so you need to click on run. Now you can see it has been zoomed to 10 level, and now you can see easily your area of interest here by using Map.centerObject. Okay, so in this video we have learned about assets panel, we have learned about task tab, and how we can import a shapefile from your local system to your Google Earth Engine repository, and then how can you load it into coding, and then how can you add layer, and how can you zoom into your center object, or you can say your area of interest. So that's it for today.